everyone, welcome back to Prach Logic. Today we are going to discuss about something that matters to you, me and every single young person in India. Well, guess what it is? It is politics. Before we start, let me ask you one question. Do you care about your future, job, education, freedom, safety? Well, you have to know that politics shape every one of those things. So, in this video, we are diving deep into the crucial role of youth in politics. So, let's talk about why youth avoids politics. So, let's be honest. Most of the young people think that politics is full of corruption, it is not meant for them, or young people doesn't want to get into politics because they're not interested in fights or arguments. And yeah, I get it. Because politics in India looks messy, it's noisy, often confusing, and a bit dramatic too. But here's the logic. If powerful, corrupt, and loud voices stay involved in politics, then who are going to represent us? If good, aware, and educated people walk away from politics, then we are literally giving our future to the people we didn't choose for. And if these corrupt politicians mess things up, then guess who are we going to blame? Of course, the whole government, which is absolutely incorrect. So, young people should realize that politics is literally everywhere. Young people often think that politics is just about elections and giving huge speeches on TV. But in reality, politics decide the fee you pay to your college, how much taxes you pay to your food, petrol, and data, whether your freedom of speech is protected or not, and even who gets a job and who doesn't. Every issue you care about is connected to a policy, and behind every policy is politics. So, if you are passionate about education, environment, gender equality, innovations, jobs, startups, well, guess what? You're already interested in politics. Now, this is the time to understand the power of youth in democracy. Did you guys know that over 65% of our Indian population is less than 35 years old? And this makes our country one of the youngest countries in the world. That's a lot of people with power, but only if we use it properly. So, if young people start asking questions, vote smart, debating with facts, understanding how the government works, then we can literally change the way this whole country functions. It's obvious that politicians only respond to the people who show up. Then, if young people show up in online elections, debates, and conversations, then policies will definitely change. Then, if you think this only works in words but not in reality, then you have to remember the incidents that took place in 2014 during formation of Telangana. Countless students came together and rose their voice for the welfare of not only their but our future. And they played a very crucial role in bifurcation of Telangana. Those students were so selfless and protested even when they were beaten up, arrested, and tortured. In fact, no one had courage to stop them. These incidents brought a shiver down the spine in the government of Andhra Pradesh. And we everyone know that the rest is the history. From this type of incidents, we have to know that being silent isn't an option. We all need to know that not speaking is equal to saying that I'm okay with whatever happens. And do you really want your future to be decided by someone else while you stay silent? So here's the conclusion. We all need to know that politics is not just for politicians, it's for us. And we don't have to be an expert for that. We just have to stay informed, raise our voice when needed, and vote with responsibility when time comes. Because when youth and logic comes together, that's when the real progress begins. So that is it for today, guys. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Let's build a community that cares, questions, and thinks logically. Stay curious, stay logical.